your girl, All Things Essential. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my new apartment, and guess what? It's a studio apartment. I have downgraded from a 1-bedroom. Actually, no. I've downgraded from a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom. Now I'm in a studio apartment. So I'm excited to show you guys this today, and we're going to do a little bit of talking, more viewing, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Also, I wanted to add that this apartment is 490 square feet. I think if I'm not mistaken, if I'm saying that right, but it is a really small space. But I'm going to get right into the video. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm recording with my phone, so you will not be seeing me, but I am going to show you my space. So this is the front door. Nothing's fancy about it, but when you come in, there's my workstation. I work from home, so this is my workstation, my desk. Nothing's fancy about this. It's just a workstation. That's where I work, right here. This is where I do my job and make my money for now. All right, and right across, we going back past the door, right across from my workstation is my bedroom. Get it together, Essence. This is my bedroom space. Nothing's really fancy about it, but I do like how simple and cute it is for me. With a studio apartment, you just cannot do the most, especially when you got a small space. So I got this on a, what is this called? I will put in the video what this is called that I got my bed on, but it's like a railing thing. It's like a railing thing that you put on your bed, and it allows you to have storage underneath. Of course, I'm storing things underneath like clothes, my makeup stuff, some boxes I didn't need to open. So it did allow me to store some things under my bed, which is really neat. And then I have a nightstand where I put all of my goodies, like smell good, lotion, wax, all that good stuff. Yeah, so I keep my lotion, deodorant, everything in this drawer. I didn't want to put it on top of my nightstand because that's too much, okay? And I don't want people to just walk in and see my goodies or whatever and be like, oh, can I use some? No. Okay, so now we're walking into my first closet, and where you see, I didn't pick that up, but anyway, that's my wig head, where you see all of my shoes lined up. My sister did this closet for me. She lined all my shoes up. I have a lot of shoes, and that's not all. I have a lot of shoes, and I'm still not finished. So in that box you see up here is some summer clothes that I just take down whenever I know what's in that box. I mean, what's in that bin, and whenever I want to, I take it down and I get whatever I need out of it. And over here, I keep my wigs. This is one of my wigs, and then a couple of them are back here. My purple wig and my wig head. A book bag is hung up there with some stuff in it. This is just like for my coats, pretty much. Purses, as you can see, I have a lot of purses and stuff in here. Bags and stuff, sweaters, coats. Actually, I'm not big on coats because I get hot. So as you can see, I have a little bit. So that is just the view of my closet. Let me back up for you guys. That is just the view of my closet. So we're gonna go around to the living room area. My keys are on my bed. Okay. Oh, also, hey. Okay, so with this, I just put a little carpet right there for when I get off the bed. And then I put on the side of that is, I have night shoes on the other side because I don't like walking on this floor, which I'm doing now. But anyway, And then there's a mirror, as I showed you guys. And then all the paintings that I did is up there. And I got this done in New York when I went for the first time. And all of these are from Paint and Sips. And then I don't have a good view, but it's pretty decent. It's not the best view because they're working in construction over there. So, but it's doable, and it gives a lot of light in it gives a lot of light in the room for when I record for YouTube. So yes, here, this is my living room area. I bought this couch off Facebook Marketplace. Originally I had a sectional couch that may have took up all this space because it was so big, because my last apartment was a pretty decent size. So this time I got this from Facebook Marketplace. The girl was really nice and she was really clean. She didn't have any pets or anything. She said she barely even used it, which you can tell it pretty much looks new. And I got this carpet from Facebook Marketplace as well. At my old apartment, I had a TV stand that I gave away because I'm like, I need somewhere to put this dresser. So I was like, why not use the dresser for the entertainment stand? So I do keep clothes in this drawer. I didn't finish unpacking all the way. I still have stuff in bins, which you saw in the closet. But I do keep clothes in this drawer, this dresser. And then my lamps are on both sides. My mom gave me this mirror. Hey. And then I got my Alexa over here. And then I did line my living room and bedroom space up with lights. I love how that looks. I always wanted lights in my bedroom, but I just was like, this is really, but this is the perfect time because it's a studio apartment. So, and I think that's really cute. Anyway, here's the kitchen area. Let me stop. Ooh, I don't want to get the bathroom in there yet because that's a different topic. Here's the kitchen. So I'm gonna walk into the kitchen. I'm gonna go this way. And I got a pretty good space for countertop. This is, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I don't know if I wanna keep it naked like this or if I wanna put more things on it. I don't like seeing a lot of clutter. So that's my problem with that. With this apartment, it did come with some drawers and some storage space for your pots and pans. So in here is pots and pans, and here is just a little junk drawer that I have medicine and nails and kitchen cloths and stuff. That's what I kept in that. And it wouldn't be me to have makeup review coming soon for this, so it wouldn't be me if I didn't have makeup sitting around. So and then under here it's like more pots and pans. Normally people put cleaning stuff under there, but unfortunately I had somewhere else to put my cleaning stuff, and I needed space for more pots and pans because I actually do cook a lot. So yeah. And here is the dishwasher, and just a regular dishwasher, nothing special. I don't need to open that because it's just nothing special about the dishwasher. And then this is so cute because you get to put your little seasonings right there. And I got my tea down there, and then I got all my seasoning, and they go back a little bit. So it helped me with a little bit of storage for my seasonings. Okay, and this, I just bought this from Facebook Marketplace as well because I needed more storage space, which I may upgrade and just get me or buy me a bigger, I made it like a bookshelf kind of for storage, because that is like the biggest thing that I looked up and I think that I may need. Whatever. I might get a big storage for that, but right now this is gonna work for extra storage. And this is just some stuff that I piled up right there. Cooler, my Christmas gift that I never opened, and some trash bags. And then we're gonna go to my second closet, where I keep my laundry, basket and my Swiffer and my broom and my vacuum, my luggage, and then I do keep my jeans, my shirts that I like to hang up, and then I got down here some comforter sets and 2 bins of clothes. It's a pretty decent size in here. And then up here, I got a box that I never unpacked, and I keep my iron back there, and then my paper towel, and then all my towels for if someone come over, and I got some more shoes in that section, and then my eyeglass little thing that I need to fill up. So if you sell glasses, let me know. Send me a DM online at my social medias. Then this is like family pictures. So this is a good view of the apartment. I told you guys this video wouldn't be long because the apartment is only like 490 square feet. And this is my favorite part of the house, the bathroom. I got this curtain, this shower curtain from Amazon. I will try to find a link for anybody that's interested. I got these towels and this little thing to go over my toilet because they didn't have much storage in here. So in my old bathroom, I had a lot of storage. Like I had a closet in there and everything. So this I had to buy. It was like $40 at Walmart. I bought this picture up here from Facebook Marketplace for $5. So over here, I got some baby wipes and some smell good after you poop. And then some fake flowers to give it a little cute, nice, relaxing feel in the bathroom. Then I keep my little itch moisturizers and stuff over here, and some towels for decoration. If you come in my bathroom, you come in my house, do not use these towels. These are for decorations, not for use. Okay. All right. And we're moving on to the sink. I do keep my face brush and stuff, and my moisturizer for my face, my cleanser, all in that bucket with toothpaste, you know, typical stuff in the bathroom. I do like this sink, and it did come with some storage under the sink where I kept I keep my hair stuff in the bins and stuff. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. This apartment is really small for me. Well, not for me because it's just me here. So, but I did put it together the best way I could, and I'm okay, it's not showing the lights right here, but they are lit up. Yeah, it's showing it now. But yeah, that is my space, guys, and I hope you guys like it. If you have any suggestions of what I should do over here, I feel like this part right here is naked. Maybe I should get a big mirror, or maybe I should get like a big picture. What should I do for over here? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you like my space. I don't want to show me because I look terrible. I just said, let me get on and do this video for you guys, because I promised that I would do my apartment tour. And that is my apartment, guys. And I think this is going to be my filming space. I'm going to get like a little chair to go right here, and then I'm going to be setting up right here so I can film my videos for you guys and give you what you want. And up there, I keep my cups and bowls and stuff. Up there, I keep seasonings and dry food, and I keep a little storage up there where this refrigerator is. It's a little storage right there. So I keep like Ziploc bags and aluminum foil, and as you can see, cookies right here. Up there, I keep dry food as well. So yeah, I really like my apartment. Oh, I didn't show you guys the laundry room. Okay, it's not much to see in here, but I'm gonna show you guys anyway. This is the laundry area. That's where I keep my cleaning supply. I do have laundry in there. I got a washer and a dryer, and there's not much space in there. It's just for the washer and the dryer, so it's not much space in there. But this is a nice, cute little apartment with everything I need. I really like it. I hope it treats me well, and I hope I don't have a lot of issues here. But yeah, I really like it. And yeah, not much of a good view, but I think they're working on some things over there. But it do let a lot of sunlight in my room, so I do like that. So yeah, guys, that's all, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Let me know if you see some areas of improvement that I can use. I take all criticism, constructive criticism. I take any, if y'all have anything that y'all would say, hey, put that right there, or hey, I got a good idea for storage, or because I have a lot of stuff that I just, you know, tucked under my bed because I don't have storage for. But if y'all have an idea of storage, please let me know. Please let me know. Also, I think I'm gonna put a rug right here. Don't know yet. And that's, yeah, I don't know yet. But this is my living space. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe and comment to this video. Let me know if you like my space. If you don't, let me know what I can do to this wall. Yeah, that is it, folks. Bye.